How to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you're facing problem that your Telegram application is not sending you your verification code, what you can do is, first of all, ensure that your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Then the next thing you can do is you can simply toggle on your airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. The next thing you can do is you can clear the cache of your Telegram app. In order to do that, long press on the application. After you do that, go to app info, then go to storage uses. Now from here, tap on clear cache. Now after you do that, if it still does not work, you can also try deleting and reinstalling the application. After you do all that, your problem might be fixed. So this is how you can fix verification code not sending on Telegram. Thanks for watching the video and see you in the next one.